Hello, everybody, dropping videos on the Gemmy Master Electronics, and what I'm reviewing in this video is Gemmy animated Santa stuck in the fridge. Gemmy made a lot of the Santa stuck in things series. I think this is a later one. I feel like this is around 2005, 6, somewhere around there. I don't think it's one of the early 2000 ones. It's definitely not. I don't think, anyways. It has the booty shaking mechanism of the ones that would, turn around and booty shake before the weird twerking crap. Anyways, how I got this was my grandma kind of gave this to me one day. She said, I don't know if at the bank or no, someone came out and said they didn't know they had this and they didn't want it, and she knew I liked Christmas stuff, so my grandma took it. The story was kind of weird. Like, the lady did not know she had it, said someone gave it to her, but she didn't know she had it and she didn't want it or something. I don't know. It was weird. Anyways, I got it in 2008, actually close to my 12th birthday in 2008. Yeah, it was very, very close to my birthday. And the speaker literally blew out, I think, the first day of owning it. It used to be fairly loud. I have a speaker in it. I put a new speaker in it a few years ago, and it's very quiet compared to what it used to be. These are those crappy speakers I got off eBay that were terribly quiet. They sound kind of awful. They don't sound good at all, but it's oh well. It's not like an important item that needs a good quality speaker. But yeah, it tells, it says in it doesn't sing or anything. It has phrases. I don't know, it talks about how he got stuck or something like that. The weird stuff that the Santa stuck things say. Okay, so the fridge, it can be motion activated. There's a switch there. It takes 3 AA's. It's interesting. I like the design of it. It's cool looking. But it says, "Dear Santa, I left some cookies and milk for you." And then he gets stuck in the fridge. Anyways, here we go. I might change the speaker at some point, but and that's all the phrases. Again, the speaker is terrible right now. But the speaker was, the way the speaker blew out, it was one of those things where it made that really annoying noise, like, eh! Like, I don't know how to describe it, but like, I think it might, feel like it might have an old video when it used to have the old speaker. I'm not sure if it worked or not. I don't know if it was silent in that video. I don't know. I'd have to watch it. But like, yeah, it was that very irritating sound that some things make when their speakers blow out. That almost like a beeping noise, like a very irritating, loud beeping lawn beep, like of some siren or something. Like, I don't know. It was bad. And again, it did that on the first day. Because I remember I was going to have it on motion sensor in my room when my friends came over, but it didn't. It blew out, so then I just didn't do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and bye.